This is the remains of a fan space heater. I smashed. Absolute piece of crap this thing is. Bought it brand new in November of 2020. And just last year it started having issues. Fan wouldn't really work. It's overheating, smelling like it was burning up. Tried it this year. Did the same thing, smelled like it was burning. Absolute piece of garbage this thing is. Probably paid about 60 to 70 bucks on this thing back in November of 2020, and it's just a piece of garbage. As I say, they don't make them like they used to. Absolutely disgusted by this piece of crap. That's all I gotta say. It worked while it lasted, but not for long. Yeah. Thought I got something decent, because I looked at the reviews, tried to do the best research I could. Unfortunately, things just aren't made like they used to nowadays. Extremely frustrating. So you wonder why I complain about the way things are made now. It's because of this junk. I'm telling you. Things used to last 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 years. Never have a problem. Now, got this junk that can barely make it 2 years. Not happy. Not only that, but they're made with absolute junk components that aren't even made to last, let alone be serviced. So, yeah. Be careful what you buy, because unfortunately, you get what you pay for. And it's not always good. So, thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.